Cut the tie. Loosen the screws securing the nozzle adapter plate. Unplug the printhead module wiring. Loosen the screws that fix the heat dissipation aluminum block and remove the nozzle module. Remove self-wrap. Loosen the screws securing the nozzle cover. Loosen the screws securing the turbo fan and remove the fan. Install a new turbo fan. Fix components such as sprinklers into the housing. Self-wrapping. Fix the heat dissipation aluminum block. Plug in all the wiring. After fixing the nozzle adapter plate, insert the material pipe. The offset and dual head height need to be readjusted after reinstallation of the printhead module.